In this video, you'll learn how to rename saved maps in Google Maps. Whether you're organizing your travel plans or simply tidying up your saved places, renaming your maps can make them much more accessible. Let's dive into the steps and get you started on making your Google Maps experience more personalized. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This is your starting point for accessing all the maps and saved places you have. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on those lines. This menu is your gateway to many of Google Maps' features, including your saved maps and places. After clicking on the menu, a sidebar will appear. Look for the option labeled Saved and click on it. This section is where all your saved places and maps are stored. Here, you can manage everything from your favorite restaurant locations to your detailed travel itineraries. Now, within the saved section, you'll see various tabs. You want to click on the one labeled Maps. This is where Google stores all the custom maps you've created or saved. It's a great way to see all your maps in one place, making it easier to manage them. Next, click on Open My Maps. This link will take you to a dedicated page where you can view and manage all your custom maps. It's a separate interface from the main map view, but is specially designed for organizing and editing your maps. Once you're in the My Maps section, take a moment to browse through your list of maps. Find the one you want to rename. Click on it to open it up. This step ensures that you're working on the correct map, avoiding any potential confusion. With the map open, look for the title at the top. Click on the title. This action will allow you to edit it, making it ready for renaming. Choose a name that best represents the contents or purpose of the map. Whether it's a trip itinerary or a collection of favorite spots, a clear and descriptive title will make it much easier to identify in the future. Finally, after typing in the new name, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures that your changes are stored. Without clicking Save, your new map name will not be updated and you'll have to repeat the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily rename your saved maps in Google Maps, making your navigation and planning more efficient. Remember, keeping your maps organized can save you time and make your experience a lot smoother. Thanks for watching and happy mapping!